Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. Today I will share with you pan-fried semi-dried oyster with honey sauce. The difference between golden oyster and dried oyster. Golden oysters are made from raw oysters. Dried oysters have been extracted with oyster juice, then dried to become dried oyster. Therefore, the oyster flavor of golden oyster will be stronger. Golden oysters must be kept refrigerated, otherwise it is easy to go bad. Remove from refrigerator and thaw at room temperature before cooking. Do not soak in water to thaw. It will reduce the taste of oysters. Wash it first, because when it is exposed to the sun, it will be stained with sand and dust. Wash it clean. After seasoning, steam. 1 tablespoon Shiexing wine. 1/2 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Add to oyster, mix well. Thinly sliced ginger. Add sliced ginger. Add 2 spring onion. To steam. After the water boils, steam for 20 minutes. Mince the garlic. Mix the sauce. 2 tablespoons honey. 1 tablespoon Shiexing wine. Pinch pepper. 1/3 tablespoon light soy sauce. Mix well. Set aside. After the golden oyster is steamed, let it dry. It is recommended to use a colander or iron net for better ventilation. Discard the ginger and scallions. The drying time depends on the humidity of the environment. If the weather is dry, 2 hours is enough. If the weather is humid, you can use a fan to shorten the drying time. Until the surface is dry and free of moisture, can be fried. Add a tablespoon of oyster water to the sauce. Can enhance oyster flavor. About a tablespoon is enough. Set aside. Wait for the oyster to dry before processing. The golden oyster has been dried and can be fried. Heat up the wok. Turn to minimum fire. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Shake well. Add oyster. Move the wok. Heat the oysters evenly. Must use minimum fire. Otherwise it is easy to burn. Fry until golden brown on both sides. Remove and set aside. 1/2 tablespoon of oil left in the wok is enough. Saute the minced garlic until fragrant. Add oyster. Add to the prepared sauce. Over high heat, boil it dry. Do not add cornstarch water. The honey will become thicker and thicker. As shown in the video, you can turn off the fire. Ready to disk. Drizzle the remaining sauce over the surface with a little sesame. Today's pan-fried semi-dried oyster with honey sauce is complete. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.